Welcome to CAD Technologies. Today we see about uncrease. Initially I am telling about what is meant by grease. Grease is nothing but it turns the T-spline edges into T-spline edges smooth corners into sharp corners. By using uncrease, we turn the sharp corners into smooth corners. So I am going to initially take the box, and I made a box. It have a 4 length faces with faces, 4 height faces also. Now I am going to use the modifier tool to grease the edges. It will convert the smooth corners into sharp corners. Into sharp corner. Now I am going to convert the sharp corners into smooth corner. I am going to select the sharp corners now. In there we can see the difference between smooth corner and sharp corner. Sharp corners are in dark line, smooth corners are in transparent line. So likewise we needed to select. It will change the smooth corner now. Then OK, it will directly turns into smooth corner by using uncrease. Thanks for watching.